Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'm showing you how to download PDF that is embedded in a website. All right, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, there are some PDF files that you can just easily download. Okay, let's say you right click, you can go ahead and save the PDF, or you can go ahead and find the download button. Okay, it could be at the top right, at the top left, at the bottom, depending on the site. Okay, as you can see here. Now, if you don't have these options, okay, well, it's embedded, you can just right click on the PDF itself and click on inspect. Okay. Now in here, go ahead and go to the top right, go ahead and click on network. All right. Now it's easier to use or do this method when using Google Chrome or any Chromium based browser. Okay. Like Brave right here. So go ahead over to network, click on all. All right. Now click on reload. Wait a bit. And then in here, you can just go ahead and maximize this one. All right. And then scroll down and just find the PDF. And here we have it. I can just click on it and then right click. Okay. Open it in a new tab. Just like so. And you should now be able to see a download button or print. Download it. Click on or save it on your desktop if you want to. And here we have it. That's how easy it is to download a PDF that is embedded in a website. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.